What's up? In today's video, we're going to be working on Jeremy's 72 Chevelle. We got a 427 just got built. We're going to get the Holley drive accessories for the front mocked up on the engine stand, make sure everything is good, all the bowls are clean and all lined up, and lower the car down and try to stab the motor in there. Alright, just as a quick recap on this motor, I don't know if I've mentioned the details on it before. This is a iron dark block, and the cylinder heads are made by Brodix, and it's got a lot of good stuff in it. Billet rods, billet crank, all that stuff. Local machine shop built it. That does really well. So this little guy here at the parts store is called a Chrysler Harmonic balancer cooler. 67005 is the part number from O'Reilly's or AutoZone or wherever, and it's a really nice jaw cooler compared to a regular like cheap 3-jaw cooler. This one's made more specific for these type of balancers. Alright, just like you saw, took the factory valley tray off. Put this Holley one on, nice billet anodized black. It's gonna match the intake and everything. And we have this water pump here, which is actually the accessory bracket itself. It's pretty neat. Everything bolts to this. There's a couple of little options it gives you for like a steam port, so you don't have to tap the water pump for all of that. It actually already is tapped, so that's pretty neat. So we're gonna put a couple things bolted up to here, and you kind of bolt it up as a unit, and you can bolt it up to the engine, or bolt this to the engine and bolt everything to it. So we're gonna do that and see how it comes out. This thing looks super dope with the intake sitting on it, all the accessories. I have to buy a new power steering pulley, installer tomorrow. Mine's broken, but besides that, it'll be pretty much done. But this thing just looks awesome. The billet intake, Holley, mid-mount accessories. These valve covers are coming off and going back to the shop they belong to, Longview Diesel Performance. They had owned this motor originally. I'm going to take these valve covers off, and we're going to do either some carbon fiber valve covers, or I may be building my own set of valve covers, my first set. Some like sheet metal aluminum ones I'm going to make. So as soon as I get the pulley on, I'll be able to get the belt routed, and I need to tighten up the motor mounts on the Chevelle that's right above the camera, and hopefully I'll do that tomorrow and set the motor in, and later this week get the mock-up transmission in there behind it. So we'll take a look at that tomorrow. It's a different section.
Because Jennifer Bryan bought some kind of
005.
She knows it for some reason.
AB 1 through 3 fold.
Really hit. Race car. I bet we do that.
Oh, because they.
I bet you lay it down right there. Hold on. I bet we lay it down.
Oh, yeah, probably. Still? Left car. It's probably good. Watch this side. May have to pull it back a little bit. Yeah. Maybe just a hair. Do that. Oh. Let it down just a little bit.
Oh, sitting on it. We'll change mine against tracks. Hold the motor forward, pull that bolt out, and put it down. Fine.
No. Put that bolt in.
Yeah, you let yours down.
You ready?
Let it down some.
Back up.
I think you just raise it over a little bit or something.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to get mine in. The front end.
You grab the head back. Right there. Forward, back to back. Leave a gap here and it'll be good. Alrighty. Let's see if I'm in the frame here. I always record myself and go back and watch the video, and like this much my face is not in it. Alrighty, we got the engine in. I think it was mislabeled on the motor mounts, left, right, up, and down, and driver's side. After a couple different variations, got it bolted up where we think is gonna be right. Still waiting on the transmission. So we can check the cross member and get it all lined up just right. And if it takes too much longer, we'll get a mock-up transmission in there so we can start building the turbo kit. But it's a big step for Jeremy and us to have the motor sitting in here. Looks real good. Has a ton of room for mirror image turbo activities.
Extra activities.
Yeah. Grab that intake. Set the intake on it real quick, see what it looks like. Don't kill yourself trying to get it.
It's not as light as you
No.
feel it intake on me.
got this set.
Oh, fuck yeah.
Oh yeah. Plenty of room. That's it. Nice.
That's killer right there.
Yeah.
That looks so good. Man, the black and the black and the black and the black and the black.
And the black carbon fiber fender wells.
It's like Rick Ross's evil twin, black on black. Yeah, that's gonna look good. What I like about this Holly deal too is you have the import
Yeah,
straight
you
here
just
or down.
block them off. Oh, down?
Yeah, straight down.
Yeah.
You block which ones you don't want to use.
Yeah, that's nice.
That's cool. Another cool thing is this is slotted right here, like cut out. So you put this, you thread this bolt in there, you pretty much hook it in there, drop it, and stick that bolt in it. Which with these tall valve curves, this one was a little harder. That's gonna be cool.
So there's a little port back here too.
Yep. Yeah, that was what I was waiting to see about the steam port kit.
Yeah.
I think it's gonna dump right in there.
Yeah.
Or you can block it off.
Airplane. Simple.
Man, that looks good. Gotta get them forges in here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That looks so good. Alright, well, to keep this video under 45 minutes like the last one, that's all we're going to do on this this video. Hopefully next time on the Chevelle, put the transmission in and start building a turbo kit. There's a whole bunch of other stuff we can do. So, like, subscribe, leave a comment, all that stuff. See ya.